Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You want results fast, so begin with a precise query. Type the exact phrase in quotes to lock word order. Once done, add a minus sign to drop noise or use a plus to insist on a term. Make sure to target a domain with cite when you need authoritative sources. These first steps cut clutter and push relevant pages to the top. Practice on a simple topic, then refine by swapping words for synonyms to test breadth of results. Now escalate by combining operators. Chain cite, file type, and quotes to narrow to the exact content you need. Use or to broaden alternatives and entitle to force keywords into page titles for higher relevance. When dates or numbers matter, search with 2 dots between values to find ranges. These techniques let you sculpt results precisely, so fewer pages to scan and more useful links up front. If speed matters, finish by saving the best query or bookmarking top results so you can return instantly. Once you have good results, scan snippets to confirm relevance and open links in new tabs. If results look stale or odd, clear browser cache, try incognito, or simplify the query to identify the culprit. As a fallback, use Google Advanced Search to build complex filters with a GUI. This final sweep locks in your findings and gives a clear troubleshooting path when searches behave unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.